In this video, we'll learn how to create an RFA, request for authorization, in PinkyBill. 1. Access the patient's visits. Click on the Patients tab from the main menu. Open the desired patient. Navigate to the Visits tab. 2. Open the RFA form. Click on the settings icon of the visit for which you want to create an RFA. 3. Fill in the RFA details. The form will open with patient, provider, and claim information already filled in. Complete the remaining required fields. Enter the diagnosis description. Input the correct ICD code. Specify the requested medical service or item. Enter the CPT code, if any. Include frequency, duration, quantity, or additional details. You can review the report by downloading it from here. Save and store the RFA. Click Save as Patient Docs. The RFA will be stored under the Patients Files tab, inside the RFA folder. Click the Download button to download it as a Word file. Your RFA is now saved in PinkyBill and ready for submission or further processing. All patient and claim details remain stored securely under the patient's record. To edit the document, upload the updated version back into the patient's RFA folder.
PinkyBill.